Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chidera here. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like and comment, okay? Do not forget to share my video to your family, share to your friends, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always supporting me, okay? So today guys, we are going to be making a very delicious red oil stew. This stew is made with palm oil and other ingredients. So if you want to know how I made this stew, then keep on watching. This is not ayimase stew. This is palm oil stew, red oil stew, okay? So guys, let's get started. To make your palm oil stew, I have here my onions, my garlic and my locust beans. I have my tomatoes here. I have my fish stock. I have my pepper. I have my red and green pepper here. I have my crayfish. I have my palm oil. I have my salt and my seasoning cube. So let's start cooking, okay? So guys, I'm going to start by adding some oil into the bowl. I will let the oil to heat up. There's no need for it to heat it. We are not making ayamase, we are making palm oil stew. So guys, I'll be going in with my onion. I want my garlic. Garlic is optional. I just like garlic. So I'm adding my garlic. I'm going to stir. I'll let it cook for 2 minutes before going with the rest of the ingredients. So guys, I'm going in now with my pepper. I'll add in my pepper. I'm going to give this a very good mix and let it cook. I'll cover the pot now and let it cook. So guys, right now I'll be going in with my seasoning. I'll add in my salt. I'll go in with my seasoning cube. I'll stir this. I'll add in my fish now, my fried fish. So guys, I just added in my fried fish. I fried this fish. I'll add in my fish stock. I'll give this a seasoning and come back. If you have watched at this point and you don't like the video, please help me to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. Okay, I'm going to leave it for some minutes and then. So guys, I'll go in with my crayfish now. I'll stay. I'll cover the camera for just few minutes. So guys, let's check on our stew. I'm going to give this last stir and then our stew is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave a cute comment for me in the comment section. Alright? Okay guys, until I come your way this time, bye.